I thought it said we are happy to invite you to an interview, and I thought I read that wrong, and I just missed the interview, which I would have been so mad. But it says we've declined to invite you to an interview. Okay.
I've been waking up every day to a new rejection letter for the past couple of days.
Represent that.
The average pre-med student applies to around 15 medical schools. I applied to 31. I really wanted to make sure I got in this cycle. I think my personal goal is, yes, become a competent doctor, but more so become a competent person.
Milk on my pants.
I should be getting a decision in December. Music initially for me was just like a huge stress reliever, just because music makes you feel good, you know? It's pushing me to seek different parts of myself that I didn't really think about before. I'm learning a lot about myself, so I use music as more of a way to kind of rethink my character as a whole and who I am and why I do things certain ways. During middle school, we were homeless for like 2 years. You think of different concerns that you never really think about, like, oh, like, can I eat? Like, we got a place to be, like, we got clothes. When we were homeless, my mom had a heart condition, and we scrapped up enough money to go get it checked out, and she had something called arrhythmia. The doctor was like, hey, you need to get this treated, you need the medicine for it, and we don't have insurance, we couldn't pay for any of that. So we were just like, well, that's tough. And they were like, well, if you're not gonna do any of that, doctor, let us know, hey, your mom can go into cardiac arrest at any point. I was in class, like health classes we had to take, so we were doing CPR lessons, and I remember like, I was actually trying to do it and learn everything about CPR and how to use an AED, because I was like, dang, like the practice dummy that I'm using right now could be my mom.
All right, I'm gonna say it one more time. All right. So starting this Friday, this meeting, every meeting until the end of the semester will look the same.
During college, I was tasked to lead a trip of around 9 to 10 people to go to Alamance County, North Carolina, and to lead a healthcare trip there.
And then the Friday after that,
I realized there is hope, there are things that we can do, and I think it sparked interest in me becoming a doctor, like finalized it. So once we teach each concept today, we're all gonna kind of go on our own and try it ourselves. And the people who kind of know what they're doing, if you guys would want to like help people who don't know what they're doing out, that would be great. Think of the layers.
Oh, please, I have no idea what I'm doing.
My end goal is to be able to set up a clinic, offer free clinic services for people who can't afford it, and then also be a teacher.
Evan, you know how to work Pro Tools?
Every experience can bring a new skill set, new opening, insight into who I am and what I can do. I miss the medical part, but I do find value in what I'm doing right now as well. Maybe I won't get into med school this cycle.
Cheesecake fan.
If I don't get in this cycle, that's not my choice. And I just keep moving forward and I go better. Just do better next time. Just work harder. Life will always find a way to make things work out.
I'm gonna go get my stuff. Alex, I'm going out to my car.
It is what it is, man.
Not usually.
Baby, go, baby, go.
go, baby, go take. I'm gonna give it away. I'm gonna say. I got a wasn't to say. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna talk and I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say. Yeah.